Welcome back to another video. Today we are joined in the workshop with this Sonic Grey FL5. Today we're going to be installing quite a few JDM parts on the FL5. First up is going to be a set of MF10 wheels wrapped in some Yokohama tyres along with some J's Racing springs. But to top this one off is the full Mugen exhaust system. Clearly the single exit, and it comes along with the trim that's needed as well to complete the overall look. Once we've got the suspension fitted, we're also going to be fitting a set of camber arms to help us dial in an exact setup for the alignment. Let's have a quick look over the parts that we're going to get installed today. But before we do that, make sure you've hit the subscribe button and I'll go and get the vehicle loaded up on the lift. When you purchase a Mugen single exit exhaust, Mugen supply the exhaust bumper garnish that converts a standard bumper to a narrower single exit cutout. This allows for perfect factory look finish to the single exit system. Some drilling is required to fit the garnish, however Mugen supply a handy guide to mark the spots that require the drilling. We can't get enough of this single exit exhaust look. Let us know what you think in the comments below. The customer has selected J's Racing hyper lowering springs for this build to allow sharper handling while retaining the comfort. This is possible thanks to the progressive spring design. The J's Racing lowering springs also have the advantage of being fully compatible with the FL5's different drive modes. From factory, the FL5 suspension doesn't allow for adjustment of the rear camber. Your car may drive straight after the installation, but we recommend taking your car to the next level and having a full setup with the adjustable camber arms. Adjustable front ball joints would really get the car set up well. No serious Mugen build is complete without a set of the legendary Mugen MF10 wheels. This is a set is done in this stealthy black edition, and the customer has kept on brand with a set of Mugen racing wheel nuts. We can't wait to drop the car back onto the ground and see how they look. We've got the parts installed now and the car's certainly looking the part. We're going to get the fast road setup dialed into the car with the use of the J's Racing camber arms. So we'll get the car outside next and see how it sounds. Install now complete, and I think you'll agree, the MF10s will suit any Honda Civic. But the moment we've been waiting for, let's see how the Mugen exhaust sounds. So that's how the exhaust sounded at idle, but let's get it out on the road now under some load and see how it truly sounds. If you've enjoyed today's video, feel free to leave us a comment below, hit the like, share and subscribe buttons, and we'll see you on the next one.